In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Cineplex gift card balance. Before we dive in, grab your gift card and a device with internet access. This process is simple, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you feel confident. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you like. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar, type Cineplex, and hit enter. You might see several results pop up, but don't worry. We will focus on finding the official Cineplex website. Now let's identify the correct link. Look for a result that clearly states Cineplex's official website. Generally, it will be one of the first links you see. It should read something like cineplex.com. Click on it to access their homepage. This ensures you are on the official site, which is important for security reasons. With the Cineplex homepage open, direct your attention to the top middle of the page. Here, you'll see a menu bar with various options. Hover your mouse over the gift card section. Don't click, just hover. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options related to gift cards. Next, from the drop-down menu, look for an option that lets you check your balance. Click on it to proceed to the next page. Now you will see a field prompting you to enter your gift card number. This is where you will type in the digits found on the physical card you have with you. Make sure you enter the numbers accurately. Double-check if necessary, as any mistake could lead to an incorrect balance display. After entering your card number, you'll notice a button labeled Check or something similar. Go ahead and click it. This action will prompt the system to retrieve and display your current gift card balance. At this point, you should see your balance appear on the screen. If for any reason the balance doesn't appear, make sure you type the card number correctly. Also, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. This little step of checking the balance online saves you from the hassle of visiting a physical store. Remember, checking your balance regularly is a good habit. It helps you plan your visits to the cinema better. If your balance is running low, you can top it up or purchase a new card. These gift cards make great presents too. Keep your card number safe, as it is essential for checking your balance in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to check your Cineplex gift card balance. This process ensures you always know how much you have available to spend on your next movie night. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful and clear. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Enjoy your movie experience at Cineplex and make the most of your gift card.